Welcome to the Blockchain Report, where we discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today's video, we are diving into chapter two of the Midl on Bitcoin, Midl Testnet. This is the Midl trenches and everything from Ethereum that you would want on Bitcoin, Midl will deliver. So we will explore how to set up your testnet wallet and other parts of this chapter 2. So before we get started, thank you so much for joining. Please like, subscribe, comment, share this out to anyone you think would be interested in blockchain technology, all the fun stuff we get to learn, and cool rewards we earn along the way. Racking up these gears and keeping that power health alive, that steam power alive, climbing the ranks, and yeah, just completing these quests. If you do need help navigating this, I have a Discord, Twitter, all the socials are down below. Yeah, you can catch me at the BCR142. And I co-host a show every Monday and Saturday, 5 p.m. Pacific, 8 p.m. Eastern, called DeFi, Crypto, and Airdrops, where we go all into DeFi, crypto, and airdrops. Check out our brother channels. Oh, it's 5 p.m. Pacific, 8 p.m. Eastern on those 2 days. Check out our brother channels, host of great information. And Vet had a great interview on today, a little over an hour or so. Awesome stuff. You can catch us at the_only_DCA and Veteran Crypto, the host at Veteran4Crypto. All right, we shall get into it. Make sure to give us a follow and all the Discords. So grinding the Midl trenches. We're gonna start with this guy. Now we will create and attach an Xverse wallet on Bitcoin reg test to your account. So set up your testnet wallet. So connect, how to create a reg test. Okay, connect Xverse. Oh, it's the same one. Okay, so you gotta do all this. All right, wow, I feel silly now. Okay, let's do this. So we gotta do the faucet. So we need to open your Xverse. Oh, I think I do have. Oh, okay. Testnet. And this is what you want to see. Midl reg test right here. And you'll go back to your wallet. Okay, go to receive. Click coins, click Bitcoin, and copy this. Or you could have gone back to, oh, see? What the heck, man? Wow. Okay, claim testnet tokens from faucet. Wow. Yeah, copy your address and paste it here and claim. Okay, we've claimed our testnet tokens. Yep, we got that. Beautiful. Swap Bitcoin for BUSD. Right here, Xverse wallet. Yep. Connect and go here. Bitcoin, Midl Grounds, stable, 0. Just do a low amount. Oh, 1024, nice. Beautiful number combination. Okay, assign intentions to swap, confirm. This is moving surprisingly fast. And publish. Really, that's really interesting because they usually don't go this fast. Verify, all right. Next one, create your first token on Bitcoin. And we got our token. So here, let's go. Yeah, create your own token, runes, Midl, close that, connect your wallet. Okay, we're just gonna mint our token. We're just gonna put some random information in there and create our token. We gotta do all these transactions and we are going to mint, our ordinal, waiting for a confirmation. And then we should be good to go. Boom, next quest. Try minting one of their stable coins using your test Bitcoin. Okay, you need 0.00007. So 4 zeros and then a 7. Yeah, and we can keep that one up. Let's do the Xverse because that's what we need to use. And okay, price feed, mint open position. That's the collateral. And there you go. See how many transactions we get out of this? 3 or 4 more. Cool, confirmed. Don't close the window until transactions confirmed. Okay, so that one's good. Okay, that one's done. And minting this. And you might need to, and then we'll have to close our position. Oh, there we go. And now we must close our position. Close position, confirm. Just give it to me. Maybe it's not working. It's no working. You're not giving me. Oh, do I have to swap back for that in order to pay it? Well, let's see if I need to swap for it. Because I think the issue I'm getting is that it says I don't have enough. So I am just going to swap for more. Now, while we wait for this, we go over here, see if we can, nope. Okay, we'll move on to the next one because that's the last one that I need. So the uncovered technology. So pioneers uncovered a strange rock, yada, yada. Okay, my swap went through. There we go. Now I can repay it. Oh, the Bitcoin balance isn't enough. No! Shit-ta-ta. Let's see. Let me see if I can swap back to some Bitcoin. Nope. Okay, well, whenever I can do this, I'll have to get the faucet tomorrow and repay this because I don't have enough for gas, is what it seems like. Okay. Yeah, so that's fun. You gotta love close position. Yep. I guess I don't have enough for gas. But let's check this out again. One more. Yes, nice. Okay, so looks like you just need to refresh a little bit and yeah, wait for that one. But let's go back. The uncovered technology. Read the Midl intro thread. The user experience on Midl is everything Midl. So the same experience as using ETH on Ethereum. Yep. Next, why are runes important for building a native Bitcoin ecosystem? Let's see. Oh, they enable lightweight data-rich transactions using OP. Okay. Research the Bitcoin. Which of the following Bitcoin Layer 1 innovations is most similar to envision to what Midl aims to achieve? RGB. Okay. So now back and let's do this. The hunt. Okay. Find which token is used to reward future liquidity providers. Yay. So that one's complete. And, all right, I thought it was Midl. Yeah, it's Midl. So go to the server and verify yourself. Go to the one to discussion post Pioneer on a hunt. Okay, so we will go to Midl, Discord server. And it says in the welcome channel and go to one of the discussion channels. So community. Oh, so there you go. Pioneer on a hunt. Will. There we go. Beautiful. So find their third hint. Check the replay sections of the article. Okay. The replay sections of the article. But which article though? Make. Midl will make what? The Midl website. There's a scavenger hunt. Midl will make. What will it make? Bitcoin. That's not. Okay. Wow. That's a fail. Go to the Midl link tree and check the buttons, links. One of them is special. Enter it in the field. So let's see. One of them is a special link. One of them is a special link. Pump. Pump. There you go. Midl will make Bitcoin pump. I'll go to the Telegram. I couldn't verify, so we're going to open up the Telegram and pump it up. You know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. So where do we do this at now? We go and paste it in here. Make Bitcoin pump. Aw, why am I not allowed to do anything? Interesting. Okay, well, oh, okay. Looks like it was successful. Beautiful. Damn, way to go, everyone. We were able to get this done and rack up those gears. But yeah, don't forget, complete daily quests right here. And we will be on to chapter 3 next week. So if you have any questions, comments, please jump in the Discord, hit me up on Twitter, all that good stuff. And with that, this is the Blockchain Report. Have a wonderful day, my homie.